Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your evening recap. Okay, um, let's head out to a daily chart of the ES. You see the box that we had drawn. Sorry I didn't get an evening recap out last night. My voice just was not in any shape, and this voice thing has killed me. I had to move the webinar a week, um, but it's starting to do a little better now. So we trade down into the rectangle that we had identified for a couple of weeks, get down in between the third standard deviation and second standard deviation Bollinger Band. Those are buys in there. We popped out today. We popped out of the box, moved up to the 50-day exponential moving average, which so far is holding the move in. Now, just a general commentary, and you can find this on the morning webcasts that I've been doing. In between the middle band, which is the green line, and the lower band, which is the beige line, this zone is the sell rally zone. And I keep putting up on Twitter and I keep putting in the chat room, sell freaking rallies. Okay? And what I mean by that is this. It doesn't mean don't get long. Okay? What it does mean is that when we get down into these low areas and you hear these jokers tell you that, we're down on 36, but there's stops way down in the abyss, so let's all dive off the Grand Canyon and everything will be fine, and you end up shorting in the hole like a 30-handle move, and you just get taken out. You just get crushed. Just crushed. And not today, but yesterday, we got up into the 54s, and the same people that had lost people 20 handles down on 36 saying get short are up there at 54 and 56 telling them that the lows are in, all is well, close your eyes and buy them. Plus 20. What does the market do? Falls flat on its face into the close, extends down to 31 on Globex, makes a new low. It's a huge mess. Don't sell weakness. Don't buy strength. Okay? Unless you're some quote-unquote trend trader or whatever, and that's what you do. First of all, you have to have a ton of bullets to do that, and a lot of time. Because what you do goes on for years. And if that's how you trade, that's fantastic. But you're not going to, you're not going to do anybody any favors making suggestions to people who are day traders or at the most 1 to 2 day swing traders, telling them theories that are, looking to be played out over a period of months to years. It just doesn't make any sense. That's not, that's not what people are there for, and it's incredibly confusing. It's incredibly confusing. So I've been seeing some of that on Twitter and stuff. It's just very frustrating. So if you're watching this, just please understand. See where we are on the chart. So where are we now? We're out of the box. We're setting up on the 50. Right now, I'm short 55 quarter, not very heavy, because I'm in sell rallies mode. I'm in sell rallies mode because we're back inside the bands. We're not up to the middle band, but we may be. And we're going to have to see where this rally fizzles out. Is it a lower high? Do we head for that yellow fib with the small square on it there? I don't know. But what I do know is that we've had a change in character of this market. Now, could it just go V recovery up to 1725? Sure. And if that happens, I have to set my risk level and I'll take a loss. That's part of trading. Be very wary of the people that don't talk about their losses. If you're in a chat room and nobody talks about their losses and we talk about the winners, but the losses just kind of, we just don't talk about that. And if you ask any direct questions about the trade, you get this convoluted gobbledygook back, run far away. Okay? If I take a loss, we talk about it. We talk about it in excruciating detail, unfortunately. And, because I think you learn more from losing than you do from winning. So that's just me. So I'm short 55 quarter. I'll add, as needed, but I'm kind of looking for a little bit of a retracement, at least to the 47, since we've come from 31 up to 57. That's quite a move yesterday. I think a little bit of it needs to get worked off. I think that the question that needs to be answered tomorrow is there going to be a higher low made, or is this just all up on air today and we're going to go down and we're going to make a lower low versus the Globex low? The Bulls, if they really want to make a run out of this, have got to establish a higher low. And I think that higher low is enough to make my trade fairly profitable. So, in the alternative, it just collapses, in which case my trade is very profitable. But there's more than one scenario why you want to sell rallies in here. And we'll talk about that a lot more on the rescheduled webinar on the 28th at 4:30. Okay, so click the link and sign up. Can't wait to talk to everybody about these concepts. Okay, have a fantastic night and trade them well.